I think the difference between a boy and a girl is the girls can be responsible and boys can be irresponsible. For example, the girls, when in school, when coming to assess, the girls are more prepared and they learn the night before the test. But boys, they come in the morning and then just study for the test.
Okay, different with a boy from one is in the hair volgata, and one is got the hair volgata. All woman, all get pretty. After all get make every something. All man, all get is a talelmo one able make a house. After no too many things all mama yana all get got big fella power from all get make every something after try hard. Even though all get tight to make something or kind something or something, lo clean up, feed your baby all kind of mimi looks all get try best plan all get clean girl and one pattern like girl boy. If a mother born a baby girl, that means it's a girl. But if he's born a baby boy, it means it's a baby boy for me.
Well, girls, okay, we are hardworking women. By look, okay, inside the house, but rest of work by washing plate, washing clothes, but rest of sweeping house. All boys, okay, we are say, rest of